In the correct answer is option A, Bangkok, Thailand. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Banu Mushtaq. What was the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option C, Gajasimha. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option B, Opal Sujata Changfree of Thailand. Tamil Nadu government has announced the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at which place? Correct answer is option B, Dhanushkori. L. Lakshmi Narayan, awarded the Padma Vibhushan 2025 in the field of arts, is primarily associated with which instrument? Correct answer is option B, violin. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Correct answer is option C, Gunesh Padama. Who has been appointed as the first chairman of the National Turmeric Board? Correct answer is option C, Palle Ganga Reddy. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025 released by the World Economic Forum? Correct answer is option B, 71. Which of the following films won the 2025 Golden Globe Award for Best Motion Picture in Non-English Language? Correct answer is option A, Amelia Perez. Which Indian city hosted the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rajneet, Bihar. Which country has recently launched the world's first crypto tourism payment system? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. The United Nations declared the year 2026 as. Correct answer is option C, International Year of the Woman Farmer. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Which countries have recently become members of the New Development Bank in July 2025? Correct answer is option D, Colombia and Uzbekistan. Who chaired the Indian delegation at the 11th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting? Correct answer is option A, Amandeep Kar. Which state became the first in India to achieve 100% literacy in 2025? Correct answer, option C, Mizoram. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Correct answer is option A, Aralam, Kerala. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th rank. Who has been elected as the president of the International Big Cat Alliance? Correct answer is option D, Bhupendra Yadav. Where was the first International Conference on Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. The RBI has granted NBFC license to which e-commerce company? Correct answer is option A, Flipkart. In March 2025, which Indian state has launched the P4 initiative to eradicate poverty by 2029? Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Which institution organized the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C, the Energy and Resources Institute. Which of the following countries has recently launched the Golden Visa? Correct answer is option C, Vietnam. Who has been appointed as the next Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Mangi Lal Jat. Which city has recently been nominated by the Government of India as UNESCO's Creative City of Gastronomy? Correct answer is option A, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. What is the time limit for appealing in the High Court under the Waqf Act 2025? Correct answer is option C, 90 days. Where was the 17th BRICS summit held? Correct answer is option C, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Which has become the fourth country to achieve successful space docking? Correct answer is option C, India. Which state has recently declared 2025 to 2035 as the Decade of Hydropower? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Chagos Islands, that was recently seen in news, is located in which ocean? Correct answer is option A, Indian Ocean. Who has won the Kalinga Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Goa FC. Where will the first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival be held? Correct answer is option C, Srinagar. In which country, IFFCO will set up its first overseas nano-fertilizer plant? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. Which country becomes the first Latin American country to back out from China's Belt and Road Initiative? Correct answer is option A, Panama. Which Foundation Day was celebrated by ISRO on the 15th of August 2025? Correct answer, option B, 56th Foundation Day. According to Panchayat Advancement Index, which state has the highest number of front-runner Gram Panchayats? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. The Tapti Basin Mega Research Project is aimed at enhancing water security between which two states? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A, Gunri Inland Mangroves. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Correct answer, option D, India. Where was the third meeting of states parties to the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons held in 2025? Correct answer is option C, New York, UN headquarters. Who has recently become the chairman of the 23rd Law Commission? Correct answer is option D, Dinesh Maheshwari. Which operation has India launched to help earthquake hit Myanmar? Right answer, option C, Operation Brahma. Who topped the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Right answer is option C, Manipur. Who was honored with the Palme d'Or for lifetime achievement at the opening ceremony of 78th Cannes Film Festival? Correct answer is option B, Robert De Niro. Which country will host the 2029 Asian Winter Games? Correct answer is option B, Saudi Arabia. Exercise Tiger Triumph is a bilateral military exercise conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, United States. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the fourth largest economy in the world? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank? Right answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff. Where will India's first night safari Kukral be established? Right answer, option D, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Where will the first Olympic esports games be held in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Which ministry has declared 2025 as the Year of Reforms? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Defense. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Nepal. Who has been appointed as the next executive chairman of the National Legal Services Authority, NALSA? Correct answer is option C, Justice Surya Kant. Which country has recently joined the New Development Bank? Correct answer option C, Algeria. Who has been appointed as the Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, V. Narayanan. Who has become the second Indian to go to space in June 2025 after Rakesh Sharma? Right answer is option B, Subhanshu Shukla. Who won the gold at Paris Diamond League 2025? Correct answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Who has been elected as the president of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct answer is option A, Zhou Ziyai. Salkham Fossil Park has been included in the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Who will be awarded the 59th Jnanpith Award for his outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Lee Jae-myung has been appointed as the president of which country? Right answer is option B, South Korea. Where was India's first open-air art wall museum inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Whose autobiography is The One, Cricket, My Life and More? Right answer is option C, Shikhar Dhawan. The Kataragana Esala festival has been recently celebrated in which country? Correct answer is option C, Sri Lanka. Which country has recently declared bald eagle as the national bird? Correct answer is option B, United States. Who was honored with the Paulie Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Where was India's first vertical bifacial solar plant launched? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country has become the world's third largest biofuel producer? Correct answer is option B, India. Karpad and Chal beaches of which Indian state have received the prestigious Blue Flag certification? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Who won the Pen Translates Award for Once Elephants Lived Here? Correct answer is option C, Geetanjali Shri. Which country will host the Shooting World Cup in 2027 and World Junior Championship in 2028? Correct answer is option D, India. Which two countries are involved in the Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project? Correct answer is option C, India and Myanmar. Who has been appointed as the president of the Fertilizer Association of India in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Shailesh C. Mehta. Which will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy? Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025? Correct answer option C, Bhadresh Das Swami. Which old banker has been appointed as the president of the World Anti-Doping Agency? He belongs to which country? Correct answer is option D, Poland. Where is India's first quantum computing village has been established? Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 4th rank. Justice K. Somshekhar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of which state's High Court? Correct answer is option B, Manipur. Who has recently launched iSpot portal? Correct answer is option B, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Which year has been declared as the Year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Correct answer is option A, 2025. Which country has become the third largest automobile manufacturer? Correct answer is option C, India. Where was the Gobiya Solar Power Project inaugurated in July 2025? Correct answer is option D, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Who won the gold medal in the 45 kg weight category in powerlifting at Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option D, Jaspreet Kaur. Who authored the book AI on Trial? Right answer is option A, Sujit Kumar. Which Indian Navy ship is being converted into India's first underwater museum and artificial reef? Right answer is option C, INS Gulda. Where was the United Nations Ocean Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option C, France. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Right answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Who is the author of the book Power Within: The Leadership Legacy of Narendra Modi? Correct answer option C, Dr. R. Balasubramaniam. Which country will be the fastest growing economy in the world in 2025 and 2026 according to the United Nations? Correct answer is option C, India. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 151st rank. Which ministry has developed the Entity Locker digital platform launched in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Indra 2025 recently took place between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court? Correct answer is option A, Justice Vibhu Bakharu. Operation Deep Manifest was recently launched by which of the following agencies? Correct answer is option B, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing, RAW? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who became the first African woman to serve as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth? Right answer is option A, Shirley Botchway. Which country hosted SCO Head of State Council Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Which Indian-American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. What is the name of the high-resolution weather forecasting system launched in India in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bharat Forecast System. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Anora. Where has India's first transshipment port Vizhinjam International Port inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which ministry has launched the PM Yuva 3.0 scheme? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Education. Which ministry has launched E0 FIR initiative for fast tracking of FIRs in cyber financial fraud cases? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Home Affairs. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. The film Tanvi the Great, which was premiered at the 2025 Cannes Film Festival, was directed by? Correct answer is option B, Anupam Kher. Which state has the highest number of solar power installations under PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, till June 2026? Right answer is option C, Ravi Agarwal. In which state was India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef launched in June 2025? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Which district has become India's first fully solar-powered district in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Diu. Where is India's first e-waste eco-park is being established? Right answer is option D, Delhi. How many medals did India win in the Senior Asian Wrestling Championship 2025, held in Jordan? Correct answer is option A, 10 medals, 1 gold, 3 silver and 7 bronze. The world's longest expressway tunnel is constructed in which country? Right answer is option A, China. Which state government has launched the Thaliki Vandanam Scheme 2025 to support education for underprivileged students? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Who won the 2025 Durand Cup? Right answer is option C, Northeast United FC. Which state government launched the Subhadra Yojana scheme in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Orissa. The Government of India has recently approved to conduct the census along with caste census in which upcoming year? Right answer is option B, 2027. Where will India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone be set up? Correct answer is option C, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. What was the theme for Republic Day 2025? Right answer is option A, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. Who were the recipients of the 58th Jnanpith Award 2025? Correct answer is option D, both B and C, Ultra and Jagat Guru Rambhadracharya. Which country has officially become a full member of BRICS as announced by Brazil in January 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Which state has introduced an AI-based news anchor named Ankita, capable of delivering updates? Correct answer is option C, Assam. Which is the 44th Indian site to be inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage List? Correct answer is option C, Maratha Military Landscapes. Who authored the book titled Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Correct answer is option D, Srinath Raghavan. Which state government has launched Vande Ganga Water Ganga Conservation Campaign on World Environment Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Kavach 4.0 is an automatic train protection system introduced by which organization? Correct answer is option C, Research Designs and Standards Organization. The nomadic elephant joint military exercise was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer. Option C, Mongolia. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Correct answer is option B, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, BCAS? Right answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. Who has been awarded the Officer of the Order of the Star of Thana, the highest civilian honor of Thana? Correct answer is option C, Narendra Modi. Which country honored PM Narendra Modi with the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross? Correct answer is option D, Brazil. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Tata Communications in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Correct answer is option A, Bhuvanesh Kumar. What was the theme of National Technology Day 2025? Correct answer is option A, Yantar, Yugantar, for advancing new technology, research and acceleration. Who has been awarded the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. Which scheme was launched to provide skill training to rural youth and ensure earnings above minimum wages? Correct answer is option A, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. Who has been recently appointed as the second Principal Secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. India's first private military aircraft factory, Tata Aircraft Complex, was inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Which state has recorded the highest number of dolphins in the Ganga River Dolphin Survey conducted for the first time in India? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Who has become the first ever woman Union Law Secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Right answer is option D, Burkina Faso. The Kazan Declaration was adopted in which of the following BRICS summit? Correct answer is option C, 16th BRICS Summit. How many people were awarded the Goldman Environment Prize for 2025? Correct answer is option C, 7. Who has been appointed as the next Revenue Secretary of the Union Finance Ministry? Correct answer is option A, Arvind Srivastav. Which has become the country's first ATM train? Correct answer is option C, Panchvati Express. Which state has achieved the GI tag for reindeer silk and Khasi handloom products? Right answer is option C, Meghalaya. Which organization released the Corruption Perception Index in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Transparency International. Which year has been declared by UNESCO and WMO as the International Year of Glacier Conservation? Right answer is option A, 2025. Who won the Norway Chess Tournament title in 2025? Right answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. In which state will India's first AI-based data park be built? Correct answer is option A, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Which country assumed the chairmanship of BIMSTEC for 2025 to 27? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA? Right answer is option C, Shivasubramanian Raman. India and which country will co-host the 13th edition of ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Where was India-Uzbekistan joint military exercise Dust Lick 6 conducted? Correct answer is option A, Pune, Maharashtra. The world's first 3D printed railway station has been built by which country? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who has taken charge as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Correct answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. India has decided to discontinue the transshipment facility for which country? Correct answer option D, Bangladesh, which has become the fourth capital in the northeast region, which is connected to the national rail network. Correct answer is option D, Aizawl. Which country has become the world's fourth largest biofuel consumer? Correct answer is option D, India. Who has recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. India is set to launch the world's most powerful hydrogen-powered train on which route? Correct answer option B, Jind to Sonipat. Which country was formally accepted as the 10th member state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Correct answer is option C, Belarus. Ha Kang, who won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature, is from which country? Correct answer is option D, South Korea. Who won the prestigious 2025 Food Planet Prize for its innovative green fertilizer technology? Correct answer is option A, Nitrokept of Sweden. Where has Google launched the world's fourth and Asia's first safety engineering center? Correct answer is option C, Hyderabad, Telangana. Which two countries will be the co-hosts of the 4th UN Ocean Conference in 2028? Correct answer is option A, South Korea and Chile. Which country topped the Global Livability Index 2025 released by Economist Intelligence Unit? Correct answer is option D, Copenhagen, Denmark. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority? Correct answer is option A, Nitin Gupta. Who has become the first black woman to win the title of Mrs. World 2025? Right answer is option A, Tashego Gailai. Who topped the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Manipur. What is Google Beam, launched by Google? Correct answer is option B, video conferencing platform. Who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Stability? Correct answer option A, Dalai Lama. Who was awarded the French Civilian Honor, Office of the Order of Arts and Letters? Correct answer is option B, Payal Kaparia. Where will India's first public-private partnership green waste processing plant be established? Correct answer option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Who won the women's singles title in Wimbledon Open 2025? Correct answer option B, Iga Swiatek. What is the name of the new light-colored turmeric variety developed recently? Correct answer is option A, IISR Surya. Shubhanshu Shukla was sent to the International Space Station under which mission? Correct answer is option C, Mission Axiom 4. Which country hosted the Convex 3 2025, the world's largest nuclear emergency exercise? Correct answer is option A, Romania. Who won the men's singles title in Wimbledon Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Janik Sinha, who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force. Correct answer is option C, Sonali Mishra, which has become the first city to implement a QR-based digital house address system. Correct answer is option C, Indore, who won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup 2025 by defeating Koneru Hampi in the finals. Correct answer is option A, Divya Deshmukh, which ISRO chief has been honored with G.P. Birla Memorial Award in July 2025. Correct answer is option A, V. Narayanan, who has recently won the title of CEF Under-19 Championship 2025. Correct answer is option C, India. The Gorsham Kora festival is annually celebrated in which Indian state? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which country's photographer has been awarded the World Press Photo Award of the Year award? Correct answer is option B, Palestine. Who has been appointed as the President of the International Court of Justice? Correct answer is option C, Yuji Iwasawa, who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025. Correct answer is option B, R.K. Sriram Kumar. Biosarthi initiative is launched by which ministry? Right answer option B, Ministry of Science and Technology. Who has been honored with the United Nations Mandela Award 2025? Right answer is option D, both B and C, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy O'Dade. Who became the first Indian to win a Formula 2 race in 2025? Right answer is option D, Kushmini. Recently, India's second largest cable-stayed bridge opens in which state? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Who has been elected as the President of the Athletics Federation of India? Right answer is option B, Bahadur Singh Sagu. Which country has been selected to host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? Correct answer option D, Malta. GP Drusty drone program has been launched by which state government? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Which institution proposed the development of the world's smallest semiconductor chip in 2025? Correct answer is option B, IISc, Bangalore. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer option B, Madhya Pradesh. Where is the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES 2025 been held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai, Maharashtra. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, 4 players. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. What is the name of the military operation launched by India to attack terrorist bases in Pakistan? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. Which state, UT government has launched the Ayushman Vai Vandana scheme in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Delhi. Which newspaper was awarded 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Correct answer is option C, La Prensa. Which company has surpassed Microsoft to become the world's most valuable company? Correct answer option C, Nvidia. Scientists have recently discovered 128 new moons, increasing the total number of moons on this planet to 274. Which planet is this? Correct answer is option C, Saturn. Where was the 9th edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. In which state Ghatampur Thermal Power Project, recently inaugurated by PM Modi, located? Correct answer is option C, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. On which date National Space Day 2025 is celebrated? Correct answer is option B, August 23rd. Which is said to become India's first legislative assembly to run fully on solar power? Correct answer is option C, Delhi Assembly. Who has been honored with the prestigious Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Where was the Prachand Prahar military exercise conducted in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has the highest number of vultures according to the recent census? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Which state won the 78th edition of Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. In which event did Simranpreet Kaur Barar won the silver medal at the ISSF World Cup 2025 Lima? Correct answer is option B, Women's 25 meters air pistol event. What was the theme for World Meteorological Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, closing the early warning gap together. Where was the 2025 UNECE Regional Forum on Sustainable Development held? Correct answer is option B, Geneva, Switzerland. Who has been elected as the president of the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA? Correct answer is option A, Annalena Baerbock. Which country has declared 2025 as the Year of Community? Correct answer is option A, United Arab Emirates, UAE. Who has been recently been elected as the first woman Secretary General of United Nations World Tourism Organization? Correct answer is option B, Sheikha Al-Nowais. Which team won the ICC World Test Championship in 2025? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. What is India's rank in the recently released Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Right answer is option B, 131st rank. Which country has topped the medal tally of 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Which Indian state has launched its first AI-based real-time forest alert system? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Who has become the youngest Indian to climb the highest peaks of all 7 continents? Correct answer is option C, Vishwanath Karthike. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. Which state tops the medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which edition of National Voters' Day was celebrated in 2025? Correct answer is option B, 15th edition. Who has become the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force? Correct answer is option B, Narmadeshwar Tiwari. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Narendra Modi was honored with the highest honor, Grand Cross of Order of Makarios III, of which country? Correct answer is option D, Cyprus. Chenab Bridge connects which two areas of Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is option D, Kauri and Bakal. Karol Nauroki has been elected as the president of which country? Right answer is option C, Poland. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer, option C, Liu Jiakun. Who has recently become the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option D, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who was awarded the Writers Association Men's Footballer of 2025 award? Correct answer is option A, Mohammad Salah. State government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran. Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Which state government has launched Bhu Bharti portal for land record management in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Telangana. Which country has become the 54th nation to sign the Artemis Accords in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which airport was named the world's best airport 2025 by Skytrax? Correct answer is option A, Changi Airport, Singapore. Which has become the first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? Correct answer is option C, Hungary. Who won the World Food Prize 2025 for her pioneering work in biological nitrogen fixation and sustainable agriculture? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mariangela Hengria. Which country has won the BWF Sudirman Cup 2025 for the fourth consecutive term? Correct answer is option B, China. Lawrence Wong has become the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option D, Singapore. Who has recently been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, B.R. Gavai. Which country hosted the 51st G7 Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Canada. Who won the Indian Super League 2024-25 title? Correct answer is option B, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Luis Montenegro has been re-elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option C, Portugal. Who has been recently appointed as the first woman and African President of International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Which state government has launched Maitri 2.0 portal? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Recently, Ouzo Feni of which Indian state has been granted the GI tag? Correct answer is option B, Goa. Israel has launched which operation to strike on Iran's nuclear sites? Correct answer is option D, Operation Rising Lion. Which state government has launched Garuda Drishti to combat cybercrime? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Correct answer option A, Tokyo, Japan. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the World Para Athletics Championships 2025? Correct answer is option D, Kangana Ranawat. Asia's vertical lift bridge Pamban Bridge has been inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court? Correct answer is option B, Arun Palli. Who won the women's singles title of French Open 2025? Right answer is option D, Coco Gauff. The Khichhan and Manar wetlands of which state has been recently included in the Ramsar sites? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Mrs. Globe International 2025? Correct answer is option A, Anuradha Garg. Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. Which country will become the 21st member of the Eurozone from January 1, 2026? Right answer is option C, Bulgaria. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. Kanha Ghati National Park of which Indian state has been included in the UNESCO's tentative heritage list? Correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Correct answer is option C, India. Which country has won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? Correct answer is option A, Mirabai Chanu. Who releases the Performance Grading Index 2.0 report 2025? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Education. Which two sites from India have been included in the 2025 World Monuments Watch list? Correct answer is option A, Musi River Historic Buildings and Bhuj Historic Water Systems. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Who is the author of the book, Bravest of the Brave? Correct answer is option A, Satish Dua. Who has been recently appointed as the new CEO of International Cricket Council? Correct answer is option B, Sanjog Gupta. Which protected area of Orissa has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Right answer is option C, Simlipal National Park. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in July 2025? Correct answer is option A, 77th rank. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Banks Association for the next fiscal year? Right answer is option B, Chala Srinivasulu Sethi. In 2025, which Padma Award was given to Arjit Singh? Correct answer is option C, Padma Shri. Where has India's first gold melting ATM been installed recently? Correct answer is option B, Hyderabad. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal, SSB? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Sindhal. Who has been re-elected as the chairperson of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee? Correct answer is option C, Saurav Ganguly. India's largest international cruise terminal has been launched in which city? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai. Where was the 2025 OECD Ministerial Council meeting held? Correct answer is option B, Paris, France. Which has become the first state to link forest ecosystem with green GDP? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. From which country did India receive the highest remittance in the financial year 2023-24? Correct answer is option A, United States. DRDO has recently tested India's first indigenously developed air-launched anti-ship missile system. What is its name? Correct answer is option C, NASMSR, Naval Anti-Ship Missile, Short Range. Who inaugurated the 2025 World Sustainable Development Summit? Correct answer is option C, Bhupendra Yadav. Which team did US defeat in 2025 International Ice Hockey Championship? Correct answer is option A, Switzerland. Which state has become the first in India to implement the National E-Vidhan application, NEVA program to become completely paperless? Correct answer is option C, Nagaland. Which scheme has been launched by the Ministry of Railways to modernize railway stations across India? Correct answer is option B, Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. What is India's rank in the Human Development Index 2025 released by UNDP? If you know the right answer, do share in the comment section below and also share how many answers did you get right out of 300. Thank you so much for watching.